Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This is a new acquisition. This is something that I have been searching for a while, and truthfully, I wasn't 100% sure it even existed, or if it did exist, it was just like they just did a couple in the beginning and then they were like, nah, we're not going to do anymore. And then to my surprise, I found this on TriStar Edge, which initially I had not heard of them. So when I've not heard of a retailer before that's selling a much more expensive item like a Microtech, I always go to the manufacturer website, so in this case the Microtech website, and check their list of authorized retailers to find out if this retailer is authorized by Microtech, and sure enough, they were. So if you were familiar with TriStar Edge, maybe you're like, hey, yeah, they've been around for a while. I had not heard of them before, but yeah, they sell Microtech. So check them out. That's where I picked this up. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. This is a knife that I've owned before. And I sold it because I settled for a version that wasn't exactly the version that I wanted. But this ended up being, I haven't actually opened this up yet. This is, here we go. TriStar Edge. So yeah, there's all their information. Instagram, they have no idea I exist. I've never talked to them. Right? I have no affiliate program worked out with them or anything like that. This is where I found it. Oh boy. Oh, I'm pumped. So there was a couple of changes to this versus the last one that I had. Oh yeah. So what we've got here is a very lightly bronzed Microtech Dirac Delta. Oh, that's just beautiful. So the old ones had this fully, like the entire front was contoured, and what they've done here is they've made it heavily chamfered, then flat, then chamfered. Either way, you end up with essentially the same sort of rounded, feeling to it. It's just not quite exactly the same, but everything else is the same that they used to have it. So these are M390, of course, made in the United States. I'm going to wipe the blade off there a little bit. We've got probably some oil or something like that just sitting on the edge. I love Microtech's bronze look, and I'm also hunting the same thing in a stitch, but those are really hard to find. I was surprised that this existed. I mean, it must have dropped very recently because you can see here what is all over my fingers. It must have dropped recently because you can see here December of 2021. So I think, it's probably been, I don't know how long ago I did my Dirac video. Sorry, I'm getting that off of my fingers. I'm realizing I rolled the dice there. I'm realizing it's protein powder from this morning. Anyways, the Dirac Delta that I picked up was at least a year ago. Maybe I can't remember when they came out, but I said back then, I think this is probably my favorite OTF design in existence. I've always liked how the Infidel looked, but I hated how it felt. It felt all floppy and goofy, and I wasn't a big fan of the materials, right, for the money. The Dirac Delta is essentially, the same kind of symmetrical look as the Infidel. It's also a very large OTF. This is, I believe, about 9¼ inches. And it has the phase switch. The dimensions are better. The firing power is absolutely better. Absolutely. It's night and day. This is almost double the power of the Infidel. And then you also get Microtech's, very, very minimal blade play. But now I can enjoy this nice, subtle bronze look on this guy. I just love this OTF. Now, this was, it's a Microtech, so it's pretty expensive. I think this was like $390, which is a lot of money, but compared to Microtech's other big boys, which I actually own, and I'll get them out, it's actually, pretty good. Now, this is a signature series. This is a Combat Troodon with the Hellhound blade, so that was quite a bit. Those are, I think, $600. And then this is a Shadow Scarab. which is a signature series version of the Scarab, which was $650. The base version of the Combat Troodon is something like, what is it now? $485. The base version of the Scarab is like $525. It's at least $500, right? So this guy is ever so slightly, I mean, it's almost exactly the same as the Scarab. It's just ever so slightly shorter. And it's just a little bit thinner, but it's a better price. So as far as Microtech'S big boys go, the Dirac Delta, in my opinion, is the best price. There was a part of me that thought the Dirac Delta was discontinued, but this is a run from 2021 in December, which was just last month. So yeah, I'm very happy to complete my Microtech big boy collection. A lot of people are going to say, you don't have a Halo. I'll pick up a Halo when I find one that I want. That's the king of the unbelievable, you know, the high-priced big boy OTFs through Microtech, right? They also don't do those very often, but yeah, I'm very happy with this. And you know, it's like I said, I prefer a phase switch on an OTF. I just do. I also like the better symmetry, the better look. This fires just as, not quite as hard as the Scarab, but it fires just as hard as the Combat Troodon. It feels almost exactly the same. Yeah, you just have a frame that's not quite as wide. The thickness is about the same. It's not quite as thick as the Scarab for sure. But yeah, I don't know. I just really like it. And the bronze, to me, you know, this is the perfect version of probably the perfect OTF. I'm really, really excited about this acquisition. I'm so happy that it popped up. I just happened to find it. I don't know if they're still there or not, but yeah, I'm really happy to add a permanent Dirac Delta to the collection in the exact configuration I wanted it in. I don't know why we have that facing that way. So there we go. I own a lot of OTFs, but these are definitely my 3 favorites, so it's really cool. There's no reason to review this because it's exactly the same as my other Dirac Delta, except that it's bronze and now doesn't have the full, right? It's just got the lines in it. Some people like that, some people won't. Like, some people will be bothered by it. It doesn't bother me. I think it looks just as good. So yeah, this will just be something you guys see pop up on the channel periodically. Like I said, this was an unboxing. It's not a review. If you want to check out my actual thoughts of the Dirac Delta, you'll need to go back and watch the actual review, which is probably 15 to 20 minutes, and it was done at least a year ago. Anyways, check out TriStar Edge. That's where I picked it up. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.